In this video, I'm going to show you how to compress a video in Flixier. Start by logging into your Flixier account and go to the home page. If you are currently inside a project, simply click on the Home icon in the top left corner to return to the main dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on All Tools and look for the Compress Video tool. If you do not see it immediately, you can use the search bar to find it. Once you open the Compress Video tool, you will be asked to import your file. You can connect to Dropbox, Google Drive, or Google Photos, upload a video from your computer, or even choose a file directly from your Flixier library. After importing, your video will appear on the screen along with its original file size, so you can compare it later. To reduce the size of the video, focus on the bitrate settings. You do not need to change the frame rate because it does not make a difference in compression. The most important control is the bitrate slider. When you move this slider toward a smaller file size, the estimated compressed size will decrease, but the quality will also reduce. You can keep it somewhere between normal and high quality to balance file size and clarity. Even at the highest quality, the compressed file will still be smaller than the original. You can also adjust the resolution if you want an additional reduction in size. After choosing your settings, click on Compress Video and wait while Flixier processes the file. Once it is complete, you will see how much the size has been reduced in percentage. To download the final file, click on the Download Video option. On the next screen, click on the three dots at the corner of your video and select Download, and this is how you can compress a video in Flixier.